Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Loyverse. Today we are going to learn how to update a category in our POS system. So let's see how we are going to do that. Before those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So currently we have a clothing, we have electronics, we have new category, right? So we have a clothing first. Okay, so currently I have created the clothing category. So we have the ID. So currently the color is red. I want to make it in a green or something else colors. Let's have a look which colors we can add it over here. So they we can make it like a pink blue color over here. Okay, so let's copy this and let's try to update the color. So clothing color, I'm going to update this one. Just you need to pass the ID. Okay, and the rest of the things are same for the creating the category. Okay, so you need to just everything is same, just need to pass the ID, and whatever you want to change you can change. Okay, rest of the things are the same as we have previously done. Okay, so this is that one. We have a bit the blue color. Let's try to hit this server, and here we go with this one. So clothing previous is red, and now it's to be blue. If I go over here, currently it's red. Let's reload it. It's blue now, means it is updated now. Okay, so this is how we are able to update the category, color and the name also. Okay, so any doubt, any query in that, just do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.